Okay, so we're going to cover the new version of Weight Room View in this video. So before I get into this, I'll just make a reminder that Weight Room View requires that you use what we call a dummy coach. So there's a separate video for how to create a dummy coach, and I'll include that in the link to this description or somewhere wherever you're watching this video. So Weight Room View is accessed by going to Workout Tools and then the first option down, which is Weight Room View. Now, Weight Room View is going to be by default for 4 people, but if you use this button at the top center, you can toggle it over to just one person using it, so that would look like this. If you had 2 people, you would just click it again and select the second person. And then if you had 4 people, you can go ahead and click it again for 4 boxes. Now, if you want to use Weight Room View with more than 4 people, we recommend just using your browser to open a new tab, and then you can toggle between 2 tabs in order to have 2 tabs of 4 boxes each, or up to 8 athletes if you'd like. So once you open up Weight Room View and have the number of boxes that you'd like, this is kind of the screen that could stay up permanently at all times because this is meant to be a revolving kiosk. If you have a team come in, they can use the athlete filter to filter by a team, or they could go ahead and just search by name. So if they use a search function here, they could say Rocky, and then their name would pop up, which is probably the fastest thing to do. Now, if they click on their name and their workout for the day pulls up, anything you program on the calendar will show up here. So a note will show up, a sports science questionnaire will show up, a warm-up will show up, and any kind of video associated with it will show up as well. So if I open up an exercise here, I can see my max is displayed. I can go down these icons to also do a variety of functions. So the first one is to opt out. So opting out means that you can opt out for a specific reason. You can also substitute with a similar exercise. Similar exercises are determined by the tag that you use to categorize exercises. So for instance, if bench press is upper body press and bilateral, then an alternative for barbell bench press might be something like dumbbell bench press if it also shares those 2 tags. So that's opting out. You can also add a note as well. So notes are a way to give qualitative feedback to the coach, or for an athlete to just kind of keep notes of their sessions over time. And then the video icon obviously will show the video for the exercise as well. So if there is a video associated with the exercise, then the video will pop up here for it. And then lastly, the clock icon is exercise history. So this is a workout log of this particular exercise, and we show up to the last 5 sessions that an athlete did this specific exercise. If the coach prescribed loads using percentages or by writing in the loads, then by default it will show up. And if an exercise is supersetted, then the next set button, which is the up and down arrows, next set, last set, will actually toggle between the supersets. So take this barbell back squat, for instance. We're highlighting the first set within the superset. If you hit the next arrow, it'll go to the next exercise first set. And if I hit the next arrow again, it'll go back up to the original A exercise, to the second set, so on and so on. So once the athlete comes through and logs their sets, reps, and weight, then they'll be able to finish the workout. And then they can return to the exercise list, or they can finish the workout. And finishing the workout will set this box back to the athlete selection screen. Again, so Weight Room View is now maximizing more space for up to 4 users per screen. It's a revolving kiosk, and all the functionality of the mobile app, including things like adding notes, and the exercise history, is available right here on the same screen, as well as all their sets and reps and weight boxes.